What's up guys, and welcome back to Before Crypto. In the previous video we were trying to find out where we could see this potential bounce for Bitcoin, and guys, exactly in our market area we saw a perfect bounce for Bitcoin and we are back above the 100 moving average on the 4-hour chart. But guys, as you can see that we got some major resistance from these areas because we were trying for a very long time to break the $23,400 level. But guys, are we going to see that we're going to break the 100 moving average towards the downside and maybe reach back our support box? Or are we going to see that Bitcoin will consolidate over the 100 moving average until we're going to break this level towards the upside and maybe even reach this trend line? We're going to find out all of this in this video, guys. And guys, like I told you for Ethereum, that I most probably would expect a fake out towards the downside and a bounce from the 100 moving average. Exactly that happened, guys. And at the moment we are back above this trend line. So are we going to see that Ethereum will manage to consolidate within this pattern and break out towards the upside and maybe even reach a price target of $2,000? We're going to find out exactly that, guys, because guys, it could also be that Ethereum will break this pattern and the 100 moving average and we could expect even lower prices, guys. And we're also going to find out, are we going to see a massive altcoin season? And we are going to look at one chart that might tell us that we are going to see an altcoin rally very soon. So guys, if you want to find out more, watch the video until the end, smash up the like button, and now let's start with the video. Welcome back to Before Crypto, guys. Before we're going to go into the charts, I want to thank you all for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate each one of you. And guys, if you want to support this channel, go down, smash up the like button and subscribe. And now let's go over to the charts. And like I told you guys, we saw a perfect bounce. And at the moment we are over the 100 EMA on the 4-hour chart. And guys, this will be our main indicator if we're going to see a price movement towards the downside or towards the upside if we're going to hold the 100 moving average. And guys, I could expect that we're going to hold the 100 moving average and that we could consolidate in these areas until we're going to see a breakout from these regions. And guys, we're going to draw a trend line from the top all the way to these points. And actually, I don't like this fake out towards the upside. I'm going to take this candle where we also had this fake out. But guys, I think that we are going to see a breakout from this trend line if we're going to continue this bullish move towards the upside. And guys, very clear, if we're going to break the 100 moving average with a 4-hour close underneath the 100 moving average, I could expect that we are going to see lower prices. And first of all, my price target again would be the support box, but if we can't hold this, I would expect that the price of Bitcoin could really come back to this trend line until we're going to see a break from these regions. So guys, this will really determine if we're going to see a bullish or a bearish move, if we really can hold the 100 moving average. And guys, we're going to go over to Ethereum. So guys, as you can see, we held the 100 moving average for Ethereum, and that is quite bullish. And at the moment we are over this trend line again. So guys, I could expect that we are going to consolidate within the next 4-hour candles in these regions until we're going to see a break of this trend. Because guys, at the moment this trend line is really important, because if we're going to see that we're going to break this trend line towards the upside, we could expect maybe a price target of $2,000 for Ethereum. And at the moment I'm also quite bullish on Ethereum because soon we will see the merge. And that's why there are a lot of people buying Ethereum before the merge, because maybe we are going to see that Ethereum will really outperform Bitcoin. So guys, what it's really important for Ethereum that we are going to hold this trend line that we have formed for a very long time now. We saw we had this fake out towards the downside, but guys, clearly, if we're going to hold this trend line, we are in a bullish stand for Ethereum. But guys, if we're going to break this trend line and maybe even break the 100 moving average, then I could expect that we're going to see lower levels for Ethereum. So guys, it would really be important for Ethereum to see this bullish move towards the upside, that we are going to hold this trend line and even see the breakout from this trend line towards the upside. Because guys, we can see the same scenario as for Bitcoin. We have a lot of resistance in these areas. So guys, we really have to keep an eye on these trend lines to determine if we are going to see a bullish or a bearish move for Ethereum. So guys, we're going to look at one chart that might tell us that we are going to see a major altcoin season. And guys, we're going to go over to the Bitcoin dominance. So guys, on the Bitcoin dominance on the daily chart, we can see that the Bitcoin dominance is going down from a level of 48%, and we went all the way to a level of 41%. And at the moment we are seeing that we are holding this support. But guys, if we are going to break this support line and we are going to go even lower for the Bitcoin dominance, then we could expect a major push in some of the altcoins. Because guys, at the moment we are already seeing that some of the altcoins are really performing good. And guys, we are going to go over to MEXC to see which potential we really have. And guys, you could see on the 18th of June we were at these levels and we saw a push towards the upside of round about 270%. And guys, this is a little bit over a month that we have seen these major gains for some of the altcoins. And guys, if we're going to go even lower with the Bitcoin dominance, we could expect crazy numbers for some of the altcoins. So guys, this could mean that some of these altcoins will come all the way back to this breakout point where we left this bear market. So guys, this would mean for MEXC that we will see another 50% move from these regions. But guys, we really have to keep an eye on the Bitcoin dominance if we're going to see the Bitcoin dominance go even lower, or if we're going to turn around in these levels and see a higher dominance again. So guys, go down in the video description and use the first link to get into my free Telegram group. And guys, we see each other in the next video. You have to be for crypto.